I got a letter saying that I met the medical requirements, but now I don't meet the non-medical. What is up with that? All right. Most people fail to realize that when you're applying for Social Security, whether it be SSI, DIB, disabled widows, children's benefits, based on disability, there are two things they have to look at: medical and non-medical. Typically, they do the non-medical early on, just to make sure you meet the basic requirements. But sometimes you meet the non-medical at one point, but then later on you don't meet them. Now, I know this may sound kind of weird, but follow me on this one. Let's assume, for instance, that you apply for Social Security disability benefits and you say you became disabled January of 2012. Your insurance coverage expires December 2013. So you apply in June of 2013. So you go along your merry way. Now we're into 2014. A court finds you disabled, but as of 2014. Guess what? You're disabled from the medical standpoint for Social Security, but because your insurance coverage only takes you to 2013 and your disability didn't begin until 2014, you don't get disability benefits. So you don't meet the non-medical portion. I know that gets straight confusing. What I typically tell people that if you ever get one of those letters, Social Security will literally, and this is the thing that trips me out when people say, "What's up with that?" I said, Social Security will typically tell you specifically why you met the non-medical requirements. And it's important because if it's something that you can fix, they'll give you the opportunity to fix it. So before you start blowing up an attorney's phone because you're mad because of the way something broke down, take the opportunity, read why they're saying you don't meet the non-medical portion. So this way you at least know when you're going to speak to someone what exactly they're saying is a reason and your justification for why they may have gotten it wrong.